What's happening, kid folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today, me and my brother-in-law, Gabriel, are out and about again. God, it's been so long since we have been on the bike. Right now, we're out here in around Waller. Hopefully, the sound is coming through good, because this is the purple Panda that my wife got me a while back, and this is the first time I'm actually using it. So I don't know how this audio is going to come out, but hopefully it's good, man. And so today me and my brother-in-law, it's Sunday after Christmas, and me and my brother-in-law just decided to get on the bikes and just go ride, man. We have no destination, we have no plans. We're just going out and getting lost. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. And I'm just gonna talk and I don't know, just talk about shit. So let's go. Alright, Kim folks, so like I said, man, we were just out and about, me and my brother-in-law, man. We come out here just to freaking get some riding in. It's been so cold. It's been actually raining a lot here in Texas, or here in Houston area, and so we haven't really been able to get out, man. And then we've been so busy. You know, I got another job along with the business. If y'all know, me and my wife own our own business, and so on top of that, I also got a full-time job. The wife is actually working the business full-time now, so make sure you go check it out, man. I'll leave the link down below. It's Far Out Custom Designs is our Instagram and Facebook, and also the website. So go check it out, see what you think, man. And for everybody that's bought stuff from us, we appreciate all your support, and it means so much to us. So thank y'all. I haven't really done anything to the road glide, man. I haven't had any things to add, and but there is one thing that I still have not put on, and I apologize for this. There's a subscriber, Lewis, man, he gave it to me for my birthday when we did that birthday ride back in October, and it's a helmet lock that goes on the bars or wherever I can mount it. And so I haven't had a chance to put it on, and I apologize, but that install video will be coming soon, man, I promise. So y'all be looking for that. It's really cool. It's like I said, a lock that goes on your bars, or he's got his on his crash bars, to where you can put your helmet on it, lock it down, and nobody can take it, man. So it's pretty sick. And then some other stuff that's been happening. I actually bought me a truck. So I bought me a beautiful 2002 Ford F350 Super Duty, man. Oh my gosh, I love this truck. Here's a picture of it, but go check out my Instagram also at knucklestv, man, and there's pictures of it there as well. And we also did my son and my daughter went in together, man, and purchased me some gauges that go on the pillar there. And we installed those here the other weekend, me and my son did, and God, man, there's freaking sick, so sick, man. I love it. It's got the transmission temperature on it. It's got the oil pressure, fuel pressure, and the boost gauge. So it's really cool, man. And we installed that here, like I said, the other weekend, so it's pretty sick. We've been camping. My folks actually bought a camper. If you haven't seen that video, check it out, it's up there. And they got them a camper, so we went camping for Thanksgiving. It was their first time out with it. And then we're going again for New Year's. So that's gonna be super dope. And then my brother-in-law Gabriel as well, him and his family are coming for New Year's also. They didn't make it for Thanksgiving. They had some other plans, so they did not make it out for that, but they are coming for New Year's, so that's gonna be cool, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And then check this out, boys and girls. What do y'all think of this Dixon here? This is the Shreddy. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. Shreddy is so sick, man. The colors are amazing. Love the colors. So then I also got the McAllister for Christmas. Well, I didn't get it for Christmas, but I got the McAllister to wear for Christmas. If you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Super stoked about this one, though. The Shreddy, man. Freaking love the coloring on it. Yeah, if y'all don't know, I'm a big Dixon supporter. So, yep. What else, kinfolk? I don't know, man. Like I said, we just been working a lot, man. The holidays have been amazing for us in the business. My wife's been getting after it, and then I'll go after work, man, and help her out at the end of the day. So our storefront is open as well. So if you want to come and check out the storefront, if you're local, man, I'll leave the address right here. Stop by and check out what we got, man. And if you got some ideas that you have that for a custom gift or something, talk to the wife. If she can get it done, she'll get it done. Super talented, man. She knows how to she's a great designer. She can design all kinds of stuff, man. So it's really cool. I want to do a trip next year so bad. I don't know to where, but I want to do another bike trip. When we went to the hill country, me and my brother-in-law, my wife and my mother-in-law, they actually rode in the car. Me and my brother-in-law took the bikes. That was a blast. That was when Rona had hit. That was back in June. And it was such a blast, man. We had such a good time. Such a good time. Can't wait to do it again. Well, I guess that's it, kinfolk. I just wanted to do a little update, man, and let y'all see that we're out here actually getting down on the bikes again, man. So, and it's December, and I think it's 72 degrees. Let me say that again. December 27th, 72 degrees. God, I love Texas. Yeah, baby. So, and then look at the sun, man. Just beautiful day today. Beautiful day. So, like I said, me and the brother-in-law had to get out, man. Oh, and I think we're going to end up going and eating at this place called, oh, man, I'm probably going to get it wrong. But if I get it wrong, I'll put it up here on the screen. Twisted Grilled Cheese, I think is the name of the restaurant. And I've followed them on Instagram, and they're here in Houston off of Washington. And supposedly, man, they do some killer grilled cheese sandwiches, right? But with all kinds of different, not, it's just not your typical grilled cheese, but it's with all different types of fillings and everything, man. Oh my gosh, I am so stoked to go there. I think me and the brother-in-law are going today after we get done doing some riding. So we're gonna go check that out, and that'll be another video. That will be it. So if you're watching that video and you watch this video and you're like, Knuckles, you got the same damn shirt on, bro. It's because I filmed it in the same day. So there you go. But yeah, all right, kinfolk. Well, I'm gonna let y'all get, man. Enjoy a little bit of this riding a little bit. I mean, enjoy son of a bitch. We'll see y'all on the next one. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.